How to check the security of a PDF file. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check a PDF file to see if it is encrypted and password protected correctly. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So as you can see here, I have several different PDF files, one that is not password protected at all, and then 3 other PDFs that have different amounts of encryption. To check the security of our PDF, we're going to be using a free tool from PDFGadget.com. Now, full disclosure, I made PDFGadget.com because I wanted to be able to recommend a tool that does not require you to upload your PDFs to a server. So all the tools on this website work directly in the browser, and it's also completely free. Check the description of a direct link down there, but once you get to PDFGadget.com, simply find check PDF security. And then as you can see here, all we need to do is either drop a PDF file to check its security, or you can select it and then choose one. So I'm going to start out with the non-encrypted file right here. I'll just drag it in. And as you can see, it's going to tell me that it is not protected at all. It has no security and no encryption strength. One thing to keep in mind is I also have a tool on here that will password protect and encrypt with ASE 256 encryption. So if you find that your PDF is not protected, you can select that. This also works in your browser. Nothing ever uploads to our servers, so it's very private. So I'll just go to check another PDF and we'll do the ASE 128 encryption. I'll drag that in. And as you can see, it's going to tell me that it is protected, but it's a basic security level with only 128-bit encryption. So I'll go to check another one, and now I can drag in the 256, and as you can see, it's going to tell me that it has the maximum security level possible with 256 encryption. So this PDF is not only password protected, it's also encrypted and very secure. So it's that easy. You just drag it on there, it'll tell you the encryption level, and then you'll know if your PDF is secure or not. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.